Eraswap token is subject to market risk. Read Eraswap white paper, terms and conditions, and roadmap before participating.
Eraswap Network enables users to move their ES-ERC20 to ES native token in ES&POS secured blockchain using a user-friendly Merkle swap. It is a portal that does instantly confirm transactions and pays gas in ES itself, as well as can take tokens back to use their ES tokens elsewhere on other dapps on Ethereum that welcomes ES tokens. You can also move your ES native tokens to ES-ERC20 by using the bunch post and following steps. Let's learn how to use Merkle Swap. How to log in on Merkle Swap. Step 1. Go to Merkle Swap website and click on the Connect to Wallet button, and choose by Eraswap Life. Step 2. You'll be redirected to Eraswap Life. Click on Load Wallet, choose anyone, key store file / access through mnemonic / private key. If you don't have Eraswap wallet, you can create it. Step 3. There are 3 ways to load your Eraswap wallet. If accessing through key store file, then choose the key store file, enter the password, click on Load Wallet. If accessing through private key, then enter your private key, click on Access Wallet. If accessing the mnemonics, then enter your mnemonics, click on Access My Wallet. After logging in successfully, you will be redirected to Merkle Swap. How to convert your ES native tokens into ERC20 tokens, ES into ETH. Part 1. Transfer Eraswap native. Step 1. Click on ES into ETH. Here you can see your Eraswap native and Eraswap ERC20 balance. Step 2. Enter the amount you want to convert. Here you can see the updated amount before converting. Step 3. Click on Transfer Native to Smart Contract. Step 4. Click on Transfer. Step 5. Now please save copy of this hash with you. This hash will be required after the bunch post is completed in part 3. When you do the resume previous, then this transaction hash needs to be submitted there and the proof will be generated and you will get your Eraswap ERC20. The bunch submission is not necessarily to be done by you. You can do the bunch submission or anybody else can do the submission. If anybody else gets hands on this transaction hash, and if he claims these tokens by paying Ether gas fees, still tokens will be credited to your accounts only. Now you have successfully applied for ESN native token to ES-ERC20 transfer. If you are in hurry, you can pay ETH fees and do the bunch post, or else you can wait for somebody else to do the bunch post. Usually this will take 6-7 days. In case you're in hurry, you can proceed for bunch post for yourself by following next steps. Part 2. Make a bunch post. You should have MetaMask software installed to access your ERC20 wallet through a browser extension or MetaMask mobile app, which will enable you to interact with Eraswap Alpha Mainnet and Ethereum Mainnet, both blockchain networks. Once you successfully downloaded and logged into MetaMask extension on your web browser or mobile app, then click on My Accounts button, same marked in screenshot for reference. Then click on the Import Account option. Then for login your ERC20/Eraswap wallet via private key / key store file plus password. Now again click on the Import button. Now once your ERC20/Eraswap wallet got successfully logged in MetaMask, the same address should reflect like this in MetaMask. Now you are set for bunch post with minimum 0.05 ETH available balance. To proceed for the bunch post, you must have minimum 0.05 Ether, as now using MetaMask you'll be changing your network from Eraswap network to Ethereum network, so you have to select Ethereum network from ESN. You must have minimum 0.05 Ether to pay Ethereum blockchain charges for Merkle Swap. If you don't have sufficient ETH, then it will not let you proceed. However, your gas fee for a bunch post will be less than 0.05. It will also give you an error if you are not on Ethereum Mainnet. So while using, you can switch networks, and also have minimum ETH as mentioned in Ethereum network to proceed for bunch post transaction. Click on MetaMask extension and choose Custom RPC from dropdown if you are using MetaMask on this wallet for the first time. Enter details as shown in this page. This is one-time setting you have to set for the first time. Click on Save. Before proceeding bunch submission, go to https://stat.eraswap.network/ and check Eraswap mainnet node 1, 2 and 3 are synced or not. If all the 3 nodes are synced, then proceed. Marked in green. If all 3 mainnet nodes are not showing same number of blocks, then wait till all 3 are showing same block. If all 3 mainnet nodes not showing same block and if you proceed, then your bunch post may not be successful and there can be chances of losing Ether gas fee paid. Before clicking on bunch submission process, switch to Ethereum network from Eraswap network. If you don't switch from Eraswap Alpha mainnet to Ethereum mainnet before bunch post, then it will show you client-side error. So change your blockchain network from Eraswap blockchain to Ethereum blockchain first to avoid getting client-side error. Click on Start Bunch Submission Process. Click on Proceed. Select bunch depth of 14 or less than 14. If you select the bunch depth of more than 14, then you will get an error and your transaction may not get through and you might lose the fees you paid. Bunch depth is the amount of blocks will be submitted. If you have hurry, you can select and submit yourself, or you can wait to save some ETH fees and someone will eventually do it for you in 5-6 days. Once commies have signature and the process is complete, click on Select. To view bunch proposal, click on View Bunch Proposal. Then click on Submit Transaction. When you click on Submit Transaction, the Ethereum gas fee for the bunch post will reflect on MetaMask pop-up window. Approve the gas fee and now your Ethereum will be deducted for the transaction fee and your transaction will be sent on Ethereum network. To view transaction details, click on View TX on Etherscan, and sometimes your transaction will get on Ethereum network. Once it is confirmed you have completed your first bunch post. Once the Etherscan and transaction is done, you have completed part 2. And, if your transaction is included in this bunch post, if it is not included in the bunch post, then you have to do the next bunch till the time your transaction get included in the bunch. Before going for second bunch post, check https://stat.eraswap.network/ if all the 3 nodes are showing the same blocks. If all are showing same blocks, you can go for the second bunch post. In case your transaction is already included in the bunch you posted, then you can head towards part 3. While proceeding for the next bunch post, you should have minimum balance of 0.05 ETH. Again, if you are short, you must add. If you can't add, then you should wait for 5-6 days, or it can happen before that if someone else choose to the bunch post. So it is suggested that you keep surplus than 0.05 ETH so you can do multiple bunch posts. And, make sure you always select bunch post of 14, or possible bunch which should be less than 14. Part 3. Claim your tokens. Step 1. Now click on ES into ETH. Now to claim your tokens, you may require ETH, but it may not be necessary to have 0.05 ETH unlike you are required while doing bunch post. Step 2. Click on Resume Previous. Step 3. Enter TX hash that you have kept copied in part 1. Step 5. Step 4. Your transaction is already confirmed on Eraswap network. Step 5. If your transaction is already included in the bunch, then it will show you option to proceed. If it shows there are more bunches pending to include your transaction, then either you have to wait for the bunch post or you can go and do the next bunch post so that your transaction gets included in that. Step 6. Click on Proceed to generate proof and submit the proof to ETH. If your transaction has been included in this bunch, then only you can claim by proceeding. In case here shows to do submit more bunch, then you have to post more bunch, and if you don't want to post more, you can wait for somebody else to come and do it, and if nobody comes you'll have to do it by yourself and claim it. Step 7, as mentioned, switch to Ethereum mainnet using MetaMask extension. Step 8, click on Confirm to confirm ETH fees. Step 9, now you can check your conversion of S native token to SERC20 is completed. Now you can go back and check the final balance after the complete process. To refresh the tab, instead of refreshing, go to another tab and come back again to this, since refreshing the page might log you off. How to convert your SERC20 tokens into S-native tokens, ETH to ESN/SERC20 to SCSN. You should have some Ethereum balance to send transaction from Ethereum to ESN, also you should also have minimum or less than one ESN token. Step 1, click on ETH to ESN. You can do it using MetaMask, and you can also do this transaction without using MetaMask. Step 2, enter the amount. Step 3, click on Transfer ERC20 to Smart Contract. Step 4, click on Transfer. Step 5, click on Confirm to fees you are being charged. Step 6, once confirmed, click on Proceed to next step. Step 7, wait for block to be posted from Ethereum to Eraswap network, have patience. And, wait for block to be posted from Ethereum to Eraswap network. Step 8, click on Proceed. Step 9, once proof is generated, click on Show Proof and copy. Step 10, click on Submit the proof to ESN. Step 11, if you are using MetaMask, then change your network from Ethereum Mainnet to Eraswap Alpha Mainnet and click on Confirm. Now you can go back and check the final balance after the complete process. To refresh the tab, instead of refreshing, go to another tab and come back again to this, since refreshing the page might log you off. If you are not very confident of doing this or not able to do these above steps on your own, you can follow the new concierge service and write to us on info@iraswapfoundation.com by following next steps. Concierge service steps. Send your S-native to concierge service wallet address 0x34A3583639148570706285BD4DCAC and you will receive Eraswap ERC20 in your wallet post-exchange charges. Send concierge service fee to concierge service wallet and save transaction hash. You can pay concierge service by sending 0.015 Ether or again 14000S or 40 USDT. This fee needs to be sent in advance to the concierge service wallet along with the Eraswap you wish to swap. Write a mail to info@iraswapfoundation.com with the subject concierge service and mention the amount of S sent, swap along with transaction hash. Also, mention the amount of concierge service fee sent and transaction hash. Eraswap Network Advantage: 0 concierge service fee on SERC20 to Eraswap native swap. Eraswap token bridge to transfer tokens between Ethereum's main network and Eraswap Alpha Mainnet.